This lovely feather was created by using the spoon swipe technique. The colors in here are so amazing. By simply pouring paint on canvas and then swiping it out with a spoon, creates such a beautiful effect. Here are some of my other various flowers, my dahlia flowers that I have created using the spoon swipe technique. This one is a purple one, amazing, beautiful color. I love it. And here is a pink one that I did as well. The spoon swipe technique is for all of you guys to try. I do hope that, you know what, you'll do give this technique a try. It's beautiful. It's, you know, created beautiful design in each petal. Here is also a lily flower that I had also done using the spoon swipe technique. So you know what, this technique, guys, is here to stay, and I do hope that you guys look forward to the creation videos. Do check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 11 by 14 inch canvas, and I am so excited to try this spoon swipe feather. It's my first attempt, you know, and I'm so excited because, you know what, I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I just wanted to just go for it. You know, I've done the dahlias, I've done so many different flowers using the spoon swipe technique, and I've also done this lily as well. And I said, you know what, let me try the feather, and I'm just using some various colors here. We just gold, purple, neon yellow, and some pearl white, and I just wanted to see how these colors also react with each other. There's a black base on the canvas, and yes guys, it's wet. People ask me that all the time. Yes, the base is wet, and you know, it just helps to move the paint. So when you layer your colors and you swipe out, that base helps to move the paint across the canvas. So for this fluid art techniques, guys, if you notice that most time we do have a base coat on our canvas. If not, you know, we're just going to make sure that the paint that we're putting in the canvas will be able to spread straight across. Like for instance, a flip cup, or you know, something like that you know will be able to spread beautifully across the canvas. So if I don't mention to you that there's a base coat, guys, just do check my description box. I normally put, you know, the colors, the name of the colors that I'm using in my description box below. So of course, just go ahead and check it out. And remember, for each spoon swipe technique, if you do decide to give this a try, just wipe your spoon clean, okay? Because we do want to make sure that we have clean result. Each swipe should be nice and clean, showing the colors just amazingly. So I do want to make sure that I stress on that, to wipe your spoon as clean as you can. And guys, just remember, you know, this fluid art technique is fun, and you know, you don't have to get stressed about it, or oh my gosh, it's not working out for me. Okay, just remember to keep tweaking your consistency, the way you mix your paint. Just keep tweaking it. Maybe you're mixing it too thin, and if you're having issues with your consistency, don't forget that you can also use your ready mix pouring paint. Okay, there's different ready mix pouring paint out there from different brands. You can also give them a try, because I've done a video. You can watch that video at the end where I've used the ready mix pouring paint to create beautiful flowers. Okay, so guys, I am so happy that you you know, want to give this a try, and you do find this interesting, and I'm just happy to be able to share this with you. All right, so do check out the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away, guys. I will see you for the close-up of the wet result. Thank you. I just want to quickly mention too that as you can see me here swiping, you can see, you know, I'm dripping, you know, some paint back into the canvas, onto the canvas. And this is really because I had put too much color here, you know, in one spot, and it really wasn't, it has nothing to do with the black base. The black base that I put on here, I make sure I spread it as thinly as I possibly could. You guys should also try and do the same. Just spread your base coat thinly, and don't put too much of that color that you're going to be swiping out on the canvas, because you know, when you swipe, you're pulling the paint and you're gonna have paint on your spoon, and if you have too much paint on the canvas and if you have too much paint on your spoon, it will drip. But it's okay, you know, with the drips and stuff like that on this base color, you can always clean it up. It won't leave any mess. Just use your finger, dab, and you know, pick the color right up. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You guys can just clean up right after. All right, so I just want to mention that too. You might see me cleaning up somewhere within the video, and of course that's all I'm doing. I'm just, you know, making sure that my base is as clean as possibly. Okay, so you guys just enjoy the video and thank you, and I will see you for the close-up, the wet result and the dried result. All right, so see you at the end. And of course, here it is. Thank you for sticking around. This is the close-up of the wet result. As you can see, the colors blended well together. I am loving that purple. Oh my goodness. And of course, that neon yellow, the gold, creating so much shimmer in here. And that pearl white softening and brightening at the same time these colors. And you know, it's just amazing. I'm happy that I went with this color and against the black background. Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow. You know, you can just come up and think of some great ideas and just see the idea in your mind and just go for it, because this is what happened today with the spoon swipe feather. I've never done it before. I figured that it could work, you know, based on how the feather has that outer edges, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, happy with the way this one turned out. Happy that I'm able to share it with you. Happy that I'm able to inspire someone to get up and try. Let me know what you think about this one, guys, in the comment section below. And of course, here it is, all dried, and it's in a frame, and there's no finish on it, no resin, no varnish. Loving it, guys. Dried beautifully. Let me know what you guys think about this one. And of course, I really want to do some more, you know, different color combinations, see how it works out, you know, different background, whatever it is. And of course, let me know what you guys think. Give me some suggestions, some color combinations, whatever you would love to see me work at. And of course, check out my ready to pour dahlias using those ready mix pouring paints. If you've never seen it before, this video is coming up next. And guys, I will see you next time on Camila More Art. Bye.